Hey guys, today we are making cheesy keto garlic bread, and let me tell you, it is delicious. Now you're going to need cauliflower. Rice it if you have to in your blender, or if you want to, you can buy it, but make sure you squeeze out excess water, please. It needs to be as dry as it can be. In a microwave safe bowl, add your ingredients, stir them a little bit, get them all mushed together, throw them in the microwave for about a minute, and when you get them out, you want to add your egg, stir it well, and you're going to get a concoction that looks kind of like this. Now on your line and greased baking sheet, you're going to want to plop it down, mush it into an oval about a ½ inch thick. Get your olive oil, parsley, garlic, and parmesan concoction together, swish it around real good, and brush it all over the top of your dough. Yeah, it smells divine. I'm doing a fat fast, so yeah, I kind of added a little bit of bacon to mine, but you can add anything you want. It's pretty versatile. Then throw it in your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and cook it up till it is golden. Mine took about 15 minutes. If you want to, you can add extra cheese, which I did because I'm fat fasting. I put it in for about 3 more minutes, and it took about 18 minutes total to get it to melt and get all good. Now's the taste test, and oh my God, let me tell you, it was divine. Keto could be so tasty. Keto cheesy garlic bread. Who would have thunk? Diet food. Yum. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. Y'all have a great one. Bye, guys.